2015 Hideout 38 foot with a rear bedroom, king bed, walk around, the walk-through bath, counter space, foot flush toilet, and an enclosed shower with storage. Pantry storage, residential refrigerator, freezer, microwave oven, the dual sink, counter space, U-shaped dinette, the nice big window, storage with the hide-a-bed sofa, patio door, entertainment center with a dinette on the bottom with a bunk on top. Nice storage, and then two bunks on the other side.